Welcome to my channel and to this episode. Today we will talk about stonewashing, or also known as tumbling CNC machine parts. I will show you my setup and how it works. As you can see, this part is smooth, but the tool paths of the CNC machining are still visible. I use a vibratory tumbler from Frankfurt Arsenal and some standard split for deburring. To control the time of tumbling, I use a time clock from Ansman. This is a tumbled part before cleaning. You can see the surface is smooth and most of the tool paths are non-visible. In comparison, I think you can see the huge difference between these two parts. The split I use costs nearly nothing and does work quite well. This is how the tumbler works. You put the part in the bowl and starts the tumbling process. The part will dive into the split and the vibrations will work for you to get a smooth surface. I mostly use 2 hours for tumbling on aluminium. The bowl has a diameter of approx 250 mm or 10 inches. The height of the bowl is approx 130 mm or 5 inches. To control the time of tumbling, I use this Ansman plug with time clock. It can get programmed to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. Pushing the button, it will start on 15 minutes. With every push again, the time clock will go to the next value. The tumbler can be closed to a transparent cover and a washer and nut. The biggest parts I tumbled are approx 100 by 100 by 30 mm or approx 4 by 4 by 1 inch. With this size of parts, it can tumble 3 parts parallel. I hope you enjoy this video. You can leave me a thumb up and maybe you can follow my YouTube channel to get noticed when the next episode is uploaded. You can also find all my used equipment for this video and also the tumbler and the time clock in the description of this video. I hope you enjoy this episode. I would be proud if you leave a comment and a thumb up. You can be sure, the next video will also be awesome, so stay connected with a subscription. See you soon.